Yeah, we're having some kind of electrical fault here, so that's probably why. We can still maintain the departure and climb to 8,000 for now, but we'll let you know.
Southwest 1812, report reaching 8,000. Do you need any assistance?
Approach Southwest 1812. We got about 25 minutes of battery life right now for our electrical malfunction request. Vectors runway 8 Phoenix. Departure, good morning, Southwest 1812, 2,500, climbing via.
Southwest 1812, Phoenix departure, radar contact, maintain 8,000.
8,000, Southwest 1812.
Southwest 1812, squawk altitude.
Yeah, we're having some kind of electrical fault here, so that's probably why. We can still maintain the departure and climb to 8,000 for now, but we'll let you know.
Southwest 1812, report reaching 8,000. Do you need any assistance?
Not as of yet. We appreciate it, Southwest 1812.
Southwest 1812, climb and maintain flight level 210, say altitude.
Can we just maintain the path of the departure for now?
Yeah, Southwest 1812, you can maintain 8,000. Actually, can you climb up to 10,000? Got some MVAs out there over broke.
We can do 10,000 in Southwest 1812.
Southwest 1812, climb and maintain 10,000 and report reaching 10,000.
How about we do 8,000 and head back to Phoenix, please? And do you want a left or right turn? We need to go immediately.
Southwest 1812, turn right, heading 180, maintain 8,000.
8,000, 180, we'll need vectors back to the most convenient runway at Phoenix.
Southwest 1812, are you declaring an emergency at this time?
In a second.
Southwest 1812, you can expect runway 8.
All right, we understood. We can expect runway 8, Southwest 1812.
Southwest 1812, do you need to fly around for a while and burn some fuel?
Tell you what, we've got 183 folks on board, and currently the fuel load is 19.3.
And what is that in minutes?
Stand by. And we'd like to turn back to the airfield at this time.
Southwest 1812, turn right, heading 260, vectors final approach course.
Right 260 for vectors, and we got about 2.5 hours of fuel, and we do not need to burn down. Approach Southwest 1812. We got about 25 minutes of battery life right now for our electrical malfunction request. Vectors runway 8 Phoenix.
Southwest 1812, contact approach 128.65.
Approach Southwest 1812, emergency 8,000, requesting vectors runway 8.
Southwest 1812, Phoenix approach, good morning, expect runway 8.
Expecting 8, Southwest 1812.
Southwest 1812, turn 10 degrees left.
12.
Southwest 1812, contact approach 120.4.
204, Southwest 1812.
Southwest 1812, for planning purposes, for your vectors to final, do you have any maneuvering issues at all?
We don't, no, Southwest 1812.
Southwest 1812, thanks. Southwest 1812, turn right, heading 330.
30, Southwest 1812, and we got in sight. Can we just take a visual?
Southwest 1812, flighting at 350, lower in a couple miles.
350, Southwest 1812.
1812 traffic, 1 o'clock, 2 miles. On the final for 7 right, regional jet, sitting at 3,800.
Inside, Southwest 1812.
Southwest 1812, roger, maintain visual separation from the regional jet, clear visual approach runway 8.
Clear visual runway 8, Southwest 1812.
Southwest 1812, contact tower 134.85.
3485, Southwest 1812.
Southwest 1812 Phoenix Tower, wind 09010, runway 8, clear to land.